Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is probably my most anticipated video that I have wanted to record thus far because this breaks down everything from March 1st to March 31st so that you can get a total rundown of just what I made, what I spent, and everything in between. So with all that said, let's do this. All right, so we are going to dive right into the numbers. I'm going to start with my total net or gross loss, and then I'm going to break down everything for you as it relates to that. So for the month of March 2024, my total income / loss is minus $522.56. Now, that does not include anything that I earned from doing art markets or anything like that, because right now that is what is paying for me to be able to do this, as well as, you know, pay bills and stuff. So there's that. But let me go ahead and give you the breakdown of everything from the shop visits, the orders, the amount of the orders, what it costs to fulfill those orders, the Etsy fees, all of that. So I wanted to give you that first number first, the negative $522.56, because it is kind of shocking to see that you're out $500. But remember that it is an investment in your business. Okay, so for the month of March, I had a total of 395 shop visits, 6 orders, which is a 1.5% conversion rate. I had a total revenue of $229.79. I had 18 people favorite listings. I had 1 shop follow and 1 person posted a 5-star review. Etsy brought in 39% of my visits, and I brought in 61% of my visits. Now, Etsy ads is another story, but I wanted to give you the breakdown of that. So the Etsy ads that I pay, I had started at $5 a day. I upped it to $7 a day. They never spend the full amount because I guess there's just not that many people to advertise to in what I have to offer at this moment. So we'll see if that improves, but this is what I have for now. So Etsy ads gave me a total of 49,200 views, 245 clicks, a total in revenue of $25.49, which is 1 order, and a total spend of $69.44. So it costed me $69.44 to get 1 sale in the amount of $25.49. And I'm going to put all this breakdown like in this video so you'll be able to visually see it instead of just hear it. The total amount of my sales was $242.22. The total amount of marketing that I paid was $65.92, and the total in fees was $61.41. So I want to back up a little bit, because when I looked at all of my Etsy metrics, I realized a lot of these numbers don't add up, and I don't know why. I personally don't understand it as of this video, so I need to spend some time looking into that. So if you're thinking, earlier in this video, she said her revenue was $229.79, but then she says she has $242.22 in sales. What does that mean? I don't actually know, so I need to figure that out. And then under my Etsy ads, it says I spent $69.44, but then under marketing, it says I only spent $65.92. So I don't know how that worked out. The total in fees between processing fees, listing fees, and all of that jazz was $61.41. So do with that information what you will. And then let's see here. I had a total product fulfillment cost of $147.13. So if we take the total Etsy sales of $242.22, we subtract the ad spend of $69.44 and the fulfillment cost of $147.13, that leaves me with a total of $25.65 left over. So it clearly costed a lot of money to get to a $25.65 revenue. or profit for the month. And it's really not profit because you still have to pay your income taxes on top of that, and whatever small business taxes you pay for your state. So let me tell you how I arrived at the negative $522.56. I had mentioned in my previous video that I spent a lot on mock-ups because I feel like mock-ups are very important. I probably overspent a bit so that I could have a variety in my shop. So I wouldn't, if I had to do it over again, there was one shop that I spent $150 with to have lifetime access to all of their mock-ups. I probably wouldn't do that one again because I'm finding that I'm not really using those as much. But the total in mock-ups was $548.21. And then if you take $548.21 and you add the profit of $25.65, you get minus $522.56. So that is my breakdown for March. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm really anxious to see how April goes and how I can continue to grow. My expenses shouldn't be quite as high because I probably won't be listing quite as many listings. Maybe. I mean, it's only 20 cents a listing, so we'll see. I definitely won't need to buy a bunch of mock-ups. So hopefully my expenses in terms of those things will remain relatively low. And then of course, fulfillment is another factor in all of that. One thing that I also did not factor into these numbers is that I did buy several items of my own items through my print-on-demand provider. I'm using Printify primarily, so I ordered a phone case, which I can't show you right now because I'm recording on my phone. I ordered a tank top, a coffee mug, and I ordered a blanket from them for my son, the train blanket. And then I just used a company called Prodigy to order, it's like one of those woven blankets with the frills on the end. I don't know how you actually say it, but I think it's jacquard, Jacquard, one of those blankets. With a new design on it that I made. It's like an owl sort of situation. It's very like anthropology. So I did purchase that as well, but those are not included in this because those, while are important to realize as part of the process of having to spend for this, I did not spend it out of this account for these budgeting purposes. So I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I am checking my comment section almost every day so that I don't miss any of your comments. And I really appreciate everyone who is following me on my journey to 6. So I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.